What if I told you that one simple daily habit could boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and even help your body fight off stress? And here's the twist. It doesn't come in a pill or a complicated diet plan. It comes in a cup. Stay tuned, because drinking green tea every single day might just be the most underrated health secret out there. All right, let's talk about it. Green tea. Chances are you've seen it in the grocery store, maybe ordered it at a cafe, or even heard a friend say, "Oh, I drink green tea every morning and it's so good for you." But what exactly happens if you make green tea part of your daily routine? Is it really that powerful, or just another health trend? Well, here's the cool part. Green tea isn't new. It's been around for thousands of years. People in China and Japan have been drinking it forever. Not just because it tastes good, but because they believed it had healing powers. And today, modern science is finally catching up with what they knew all along. So in this video, we're going to break it all down. What happens inside your body when you drink green tea daily? The benefits, the possible downsides, and the most surprising effect of all. No jargon, no boring lectures. Just real talk. So by the end, you'll know exactly if this is a habit worth adding to your life. Sound good? Let's dive in. Point 1. Daily energy without the crash. Let's start with energy, because let's be real, most of us are tired. Now, green tea does have caffeine, but here's the difference. It's less than coffee, and it's paired with something called L-theanine. Don't worry, that's not a scary word. Think of L-theanine as caffeine's chill best friend. While caffeine wakes you up, L-theanine helps you stay calm and focused. So instead of the jitters you might get from coffee, green tea gives you smoother, steady energy. That's why so many people who switch from coffee to green tea say they feel alert but not wired. And if you drink it daily, you may notice fewer afternoon crashes and better focus throughout the day. Point 2. A daily boost for your brain. Okay, so green tea doesn't just wake you up, it actually sharpens your brain. Studies suggest the combo of caffeine and L-theanine helps with memory, focus, and even reaction time. Think of it like your brain operating with a little extra clarity. And here's a fun fact. In Japan, there's something called the green tea paradox. Some communities with the highest green tea consumption also have some of the lowest rates of cognitive decline as they age. Now, I'm not saying green tea turns you into Einstein overnight, but drinking it daily can give your brain that little edge, especially when you're studying, working, or just trying to stay sharp. Point 3. Daily support for your metabolism. All right, let's talk about something everyone's curious about. Weight. Green tea has been linked to boosting metabolism. Why? It's packed with antioxidants, especially something called EGCG. Again, no need to memorize the name. Just know that EGCG helps your body burn fat a little more efficiently. That's why a lot of fitness folks sip on green tea or take green tea extract supplements. If you drink it daily, especially before workouts, you might notice an extra calorie burn. Now, let's keep it real. Drinking green tea isn't going to melt off pounds by itself. But pair it with exercise, good sleep, and balanced meals. It's like giving your body a natural boost. Point 4. Daily defense against stress. Here's one people don't always think about. Drinking green tea daily may help reduce stress. Remember L-theanine, the calm compound we talked about? It doesn't just balance caffeine, it also promotes relaxation. That's why sipping a cup of green tea in the afternoon feels like hitting a mental reset button. It's a little ritual that calms you down, even when life feels overwhelming. And that daily habit? Over time, it can make you feel more centered, less anxious, and just better equipped to handle stress. Point 5. Daily protection for your body. Here's another big one. Antioxidants. Green tea is loaded with them. These little compounds fight off free radicals, basically the bad guys that damage your cells and speed up aging. When you drink green tea every day, you're giving your body a steady stream of protection. Some research even links green tea to heart health, better cholesterol levels, and lower inflammation. So yeah, that little cup, It's kind of like armor for your body. Okay, here's the most surprising part. Drinking green tea daily doesn't just affect your energy, focus, or body. It may actually help you live longer. Sounds dramatic, right? But hear me out. In parts of Japan where green tea is a staple, like Okinawa, one of the world's blue zones where people live the longest, daily green tea is part of the culture. Many drink 3-4 cups a day, every day. And research has linked regular green tea drinkers to lower risks of chronic diseases and even increased life expectancy. So, the big reveal? This isn't just about feeling good today. It's about building a simple daily habit that could add years to your life. Imagine that. Something as small as swapping one of your drinks for green tea every day could actually give you more days, period. So, let's wrap this up. Here's what happens if you drink green tea daily. You get steady, focused energy without the coffee crash. Your brain stays sharp, and you may even protect it as you age. Your metabolism gets a little boost, helping with weight goals. Your stress levels come down thanks to calming compounds. Your body gets daily protection and maybe even extra years of life. Now, is green tea a miracle cure? No. But as a simple daily habit, it's one of the easiest and most powerful things you can do for your health. So my question for you is, do you already drink green tea daily? And if not, will you try it after watching this video? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.